Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your account data on monday.com. To do that is pretty easy. Go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side. And from here, click an administration. Now you want to click an account on the left hand side. And here at the bottom, you'll find export account data. You can simply click on that. Here it's going to quickly load and you can see it says export data and it says in progress. It just take a couple of minutes right there as you can see. But once this is done, you can go to your email and you can easily find the link. So I'm going to open up a new tab here and just simple access the email. And within your email, you will find in, for example, updates or wherever you may find it, you will find this email. And within your email, guys, you will find this email here that say you can quickly download your data. So quickly click download and you can see that it's quickly download on my PC right here. And this is my data. What I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and extract it on my PC. As you can see, I'm extracting right here. And this is the folder that I have. As you can see, this is the folder with all my details, my assets, my boards, my team updates, all of these good stuff. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.